the last few years, natural stone has become incredibly popular for patios and driveways, and if you look around at this patio you can understand why. When it's clean it looks stunning, but unfortunately people very quickly find that unless it's regularly maintained it can start to look drab, dirty, covered in algae and sometimes intense black spot as well. Now this is caused by the fact that the sandstone, by its very nature, and is very porous. Water seeps into the voids in the stone and basically sits there, and that's what encourages the dirt, the algae to establish themselves on the surface. I use the word dirt, it looks like that, but in fact, as I say, it's algae and lichens that are just living on the dampness of the stone. So what can we do to prevent this? Now if we just look to the right here, where the table basically keeps the area drier, you can see it looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. Areas here constantly exposed to the elements, you can see where this is not dirt, this is black lichens and algae that really are feeding off the porous nature of the stone and becoming ingrained into it. So what we are looking to do is get rid of the algae, protect the surface, and then really leave future maintenance, one, a lot less frequent, and two, a lot easier.